This job for security engineer and a cyber security engineer to be exact is in Hobart, Australia at Commonwealth Bank. Commonwealth Bank is Australia's largest and leading financial provider and quite a typical quintessential Australian company. In order to be successful in this role, which is a hybrid role, you need to have a good understanding and familiarity with SEC DevOps methodologies. Plus, you should also be able to operate in ambiguity and drive clarity through partnerships. You should have broad technical security experience, ideally with deep subject matter expertise in at least one domain, for example, network engineering or infrastructure engineering. If you have done penetration testing, cyber threat monitoring, and response, then you should be suited for this role. You should have experience in identifying technological risks and working with stakeholders to manage these risks. You should be proficient in undertaking risk and security assessments, which are very desirable for this role. So if you think you want to work at CBA in this role and you can relocate to Tasmania, or if you're already in Tasmania or Hobart, then I think this is a great role in a great company. Thank you very much.